Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am back with yet another theme. This time it is based on Captain America. There is a new watch face too, so stay tuned, we will share all the details of this theme. Also make sure to subscribe the channel as a lot more theme videos are yet to come. Swipe up, you get steps as Captain America's shield, distance as Cap's mask, and calorie burn as burger icon. Battery remains stock. Heart rate monitor is carried forward from previous theme. Coming to watch faces, we have one new watch face. Rest two are carried forward from previous theme. Do let me know what you think of this new watch face. Moving further, we have more as Cap's Lego face, Silent has vibration icon. Find My Device has gamepad and Silent has minion dressed like Captain America. Factory Reset has Thor's hammer. About has Avenger logo. Moving under About, we have 5 Steve Rogers images. Do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section down below. Also, I am adding calendar edition too, so in case you want 2020 calendar instead of these images, then you can flash that. Moving on to animation, we have new swipe up animation as Cap shield animation. Long press had floating Thor's hammer animation. So this was the Captain America's theme for Mi Band 3. If you are new to custom firmware, then do check out our PUBG theme video for installation process. The download link will be present in the description section below. So that's been it. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Till then, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.